rocket ship. I don't think y'all can see it. Look at it. It's really a freaking rocket ship. Oh my gosh. It's a rocket ship.
Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the...
You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, for shorty stay with calculated.
You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get you.
It is literally 12:15 now, and I missed my original nail appointment, and that was for 12 o'clock, but I called them and I rescheduled it for 1, so I have to hurry up and blow dry my hair because my nail salon is all the way in West Palm Beach and I live in Wellington, so that is pretty far away. So now I'm about to section my hair off and blow dry this hair. I know I look super crazy, y'all, but it is what it is, girl. And when I tell y'all, my hair has broke off so bad from heat damage, so that's why I decided to just go ahead and throw a wig on my head for this week, because this heat damage is no joke, okay?
You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Alright, y'all, so this is my nail salon. Nori Nails. Hello. I have an appointment with Miley at 1. No,
Pedicure?
Miley.
I know you do the pedicure,
Yeah.
too, right?
Yeah.
Anybody?
Yeah, they specifically had me with someone. I don't know the name. Did you see the original appointment was with who?
You called me earlier, right?
Yeah. It can be with anybody. Someone
Okay,
good.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
With your pedicure.
Someone's good? Okay. So I literally just left out of the nail salon. Y'all, let me just tell y'all, I was in a nail salon for so freaking long today. Like, that is so freaking crazy. Like, I got here at like 1 something and I was running late. So it is now like 5:54. So literally I was at the fucking nail salon for like 5 hours. For what? I really don't know why she had me there so long. She was like, I was getting my toes done at first. Originally my appointment was at 1, but when I got in, she was already doing someone else's nails. So I had got my pedicure done, and the guy, that's a whole nother story, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all about that. The freaking guy that did my pedicure, Kevin, was so freaking funny, y'all. He had me dying laughing. Like, he was cracking on making jokes about this nail tech or whatever. He was like, basically like, why she wore the outfit that she wore or whatever. And the outfit, like the jacket was like one of those little jean jackets that had the cut slits in the back, like the cut up jackets that we used to wear. And he was like, was she trying to show off? Like, and then he's Chinese, so like, you already know, like, it was so fucking funny because I could barely understand him. I could understand him fully, but it was just so funny because it was in his accent. He was like, basically like, what is she trying to do? Is she trying to show off? Her butt is like, he was cracking on her butt because like the girl didn't have no butt like the girl, but it was just so freaking funny, y'all. And he had me dying laughing, like dying laughing, like to the point where I wanted to fucking piss myself. That's just how funny it was. So he had called the girl. He was like, yeah, she party a lot. He was like, she must have had a hangover. Like, why she come here dressing like that? See, you got on a sweater, you got on some tight, basically like everybody in the salon had on like clothes that was appropriate for the weather. And like, it was just so funny. He was like, maybe she had a hangover. I don't know. She probably had a hangover. Bro, he was cracking on the girl so bad. And it was just so funny. So the girl had came up. He was like, what are you looking for? Like, he was just trying to like throw her off or whatever because we was laughing so bad. And she was basically like, so when he asked her, she ignored him because I guess she probably felt like, oh bitch, he laughing at me or whatever. So she ignored him or whatever when he called her. So then he called her, so she must have thought about it. She turned around, she was like, what are y'all laughing about so hard? Man, that was so funny, y'all. Like, that was the funniest man alive. And he just kept like going on. He was like, what am I gonna tell her? Shit, I'm nervous. What am I gonna tell her? I said, just tell her you was laughing at my toes or something. It was so funny, y'all. But anyways, y'all, I was so freaking mad. Like, I'm like, why am I just coming out of the nail salon and it's damn near 6 o'clock? Like, she really tried me today, but it was worth it because I love my nails. I just got the French. I'm so basic when it comes to nails, so I tried to do a little razzle, like a little 1-2 or whatever, and get like the little chrome cross or whatever. And I just got a French because I don't be doing the most when I get my nails done, unless it's like a special occasion. And I still don't do the most. Like, I'm just a simple girl when it comes to my nails and my toes. I keep white on my toes, and my hair is still a freaking mess. I got this hat on, and I'm supposed to be going to get my hair braided down so I can throw on my wig. But I don't know if that's going to happen because, like I said, I've been in there all day. I might have to just suck it up and braid down my own hair, which I really don't want to, but it is what it is. So, yeah, I'm about to go head to Starbucks or whatever and to grab me some coffee because I'm tired. And if I don't get no coffee, my hair won't get done. And, baby, I am tired of looking like this. I have to do my hair. So that's what we doing for the rest of the night. And I feel bad because I done left my daughter home, and I thought it was going to be just a little quick, a little quick nail trip. But baby, I've been here for 5 hours. 5. Baby, not again. She was like, oh, I'm so sorry it took so long. You had to get your nails soaked. No, don't try to blame it on me talking about I had to get my nails soaked off. That is not why it took long. Your ass was doing other things, and that's why it took too long. It took so long. But like I said, I like my nails. I'm very satisfied. So it is what it is. And I really didn't have much to do. Just have to go home and do my hair or whatever. And yeah, y'all. So 5 hours later. Oh my God, what is that? Do you guys know what that is? What is that? It's a rocket ship? Are you serious? Oh, let me record. There's a rocket ship. I want to record it. A rocket ship? A rocket ship. Let's go look, guys. They said it's a rocket ship. Let me see if I can get the rocket ship. I'm so nosy. Yes, look at the rocket ship, y'all. Oh my God, it is a rocket ship. Okay, I gotta get out so y'all can see it. Oh my God. There's really a freaking ship, guys. There is really a freaking rocket ship. I don't think y'all can see it. Look at it. It's really a freaking rocket ship. Oh my gosh. It's a rocket ship. Y'all can't even see me because it's so dark right now, but I tried to turn on the light. I don't know if that's gonna help. But I'm about to go to Starbucks because your girl need a coffee. I need a coffee like real bad. Y'all can't see nothing. This is ghetto. Very much ghetto. Cause y'all can't see shit. I really need to invest in a camera, but like I said, I'm waiting until I get monetized, and then it's gonna be my gift to myself. But so y'all go ahead and get your girl to 1,000 subscribers so I can give y'all better quality, and it's gonna be up from there. So y'all need to go ahead and subscribe so y'all can see me and it'll be better quality, because right now this quality is so crappy and y'all can't see nothing. Like damn. Like damn. Pam. And this is my last time in Starbucks line, because girl, I'm trying to lose the weight. Y'all put in the comment section some good drinks to get. I wish I had somebody to braid down my hair, because I really don't feel like it. I'm gonna get a banana bread too.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks.
A little banana bread ain't never hurt nobody. Hi, can I please have a caramel ribbon crunch with no crunch?
What size?
I'll take a venti. And also the banana and walnut bread.
Do you want that warmed?
Yes, please.
All right. Anything else?
That'll be it.
Alrighty.
Thank you. Like, what is the point of me even videoing right now? Because y'all really can't see anything. Okay, so after today, I'm going on a strict diet. I was looking at some of my old pictures last night, and I was like, damn, I posted a picture on Instagram. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, please make sure you follow me at on Instagram at Top Tier Teary. Oh yeah, make sure y'all follow me or whatever on Instagram. But anyway, so yeah, so I posted a picture of like a motivational picture of when I was like thinner, and that really motivated me like to get my ass back in the gym, get in shape, because your girl was fine as hell. I was fine. I was so fine. So yeah, y'all, I definitely got to get back to it, because it ain't cool. She's making it right now. $10.81. you. So I got my coffee. Thank you. My coffee. Thanks.
Have a nice day.
You as well. Alright, y'all. So I got my Starbucks. Literally just pulled up to the freaking beauty supply store where they braid your hair down, and I called before I got out because it's cold and I didn't want to waste my time, but I have to go in there anyways. But I called and I was like, hey, are you guys still braiding hair down? And it was like, oh, we stop at 6. So now I gotta go home and braid down my own hair, which sucks for me, but whatever. So y'all, yeah, it is what it is. This is a do-it-yourself year, baby, because people be so fucking lazy. Like, girl, y'all stop at 6. It's only 6:30. What's the problem? But I needed to come in here anyways. Thank you. You're welcome. I needed to come here anyways. Find some olive. What is it called? Do you guys carry it's like a olive what is it called? It's like an adhesive spray by Olive something. Where would your sprays be? I said it's like an adhesive spray for lace fronts. Yeah, olive oil. That's who it's by. Oh, you guys don't carry it? You said the end of the aisle? Yeah, they don't have it.
That's not it at the bottom.
Oh, right here?
I don't know. It's green like
Oh, yeah. I think this is it. Super whole wig spray. I think this is it. I hope this is it. Thank you. So, and grips, hair frontals, flawless wig weave application. I don't know if this is it, but this is what I seen the girl using. Hopefully this is it. If not, then I don't know. That lady is just always so rude. If you don't like your job, then get away, like quit or something. People be so freaking annoyed for no reason. And this can't be $14.99. Gotta get this here. Lay down, lady. What the fuck is your problem? Yeah, so this is what I need. Hey y'all, so I just got back home and I had my
wig in my sit under dryer to dry, and this is what it's giving. Y'all, the color did not take. But oh well. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it. But this is what it's giving. This is clean.
Take a step out, get some in now, let your edge out. Take some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby. I've been doing my end, my shit. I should've keep from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Now I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Do the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm up me with a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days
The mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me Let me know what you feel. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short of what I say, but I say I'm all about, you are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Let me know, let me know, let me
to switch my hot comb because that hot comb did not get hot enough. It only went up to 325. This one goes up to 450. So yeah, I need to really get this flat. Oh, hot. And y'all, it heated up like right away. This is what we need. And I'm gonna even flatten that in the back. Because baby, and it's, yes. Oh, I love it. I still feel like I'm gonna go ahead and flatten it like that.
For this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing.
Yeah. Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah. For this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing.
Yeah. Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah.
Ain't no games, for real, I'm getting my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, 'cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. I ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that I'm real,
am officially back. I am done with my hair. Yeah, and I think I did really good for not my first time, because I'm not gonna lie, but my first time in a long time installing a wig. I am getting better. Me personally, like, I'm not big on lace front wigs, but I do want to get back into the habit of wearing them, because y'all, like I said, my hair is breaking off so bad. So I just want to give the leave outs a, you know, I want to give them a break or whatever. But y'all, I think I did really good. I mean, I want to kind of like hide the lace, but I feel like there's nothing you can do to hide the lace. Like, there's nothing at all that you can do to hide the lace unless it's like a very good lace. But y'all, I'm like really loving my hair, and I did a little 1-2 on my makeup, period, y'all. So yeah, I'm about to head out to go get my son. I just wanted to do a quick little update with my makeup and stuff done. So yeah, y'all, this is it. This is actually the end of this vlog. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for really taking the time out to watch this vlog. And I just really appreciate everyone. And let me know in the comments what y'all think that I should do next or whatever. I'm trying to make my channel more entertaining for you guys. So just let me know what y'all like or whatever. And if you have not subscribed, if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, and do not forget to give me a big huge thumbs up, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss out on another video. All right, bye guys.